This is the third video for earned value management. In earlier videos, we calculated 8 different EVM formulae. Let's now see the final 4, that is EAC, estimate at completion, ETC, estimate to complete, VAC, variance at completion, and TCPI, to complete cost performance index. EAC, estimate at completion. As the project progresses, the project team may develop a forecast for the estimate at completion, which may differ from the budget at completion based on the project performance. The estimate at completion is the amount we expect the project shall cost when it is finished based on where we are today, that is the cost performance index. We get it by dividing budget at completion to cost performance index, that is, in our example it is $300,000 divided by 1.09 equals $275,236.36. This makes sense. We are doing better on cost than we had originally planned. So let us put the value of EAC as $275,236.36. ETC, estimate to complete. Estimate to complete is the expected cost to finish all the remaining work. The estimate to complete is simply how much more we expect to spend than what we have done so far. Assuming the work is performing as planned, we get it by deducting actual cost from estimate at completion. That is, in our example, it is $275,236.36 minus $55,000 equals $220,229.36. So based on our performance so far, we expect to spend $220,229.36 more. So let us put this value in front of ETC. VAC, variance at completion. Variance at completion is the projection of the amount of budget, deficit or surplus. The variance at completion is the difference between what we originally planned, that is budget at completion, and what we expect to spend, that is estimate at completion, EAC. So in our example, it is $300,000 minus $275,236.36 equals $24,770.64. The positive value of variance means that we are doing better than projected, and negative variance means we expect the project to run over on costs. So let us put this value of variance at completion here. The last among the EVM formulae is TCPI. TCPI stands for to complete cost performance index. TCPI is the measure of cost performance that must be achieved with the remaining resources in order to meet a specified management goal. TCPI, or to complete cost performance index, is the cost performance index needed to obtain the desired outcomes. TCPI equals work remaining upon funds remaining, that is BAC minus EV upon BAC minus AC. Putting the values, we get it as equal to 0.98. If TCPI greater than 1, it is harder to complete. You need to overperform. If TCPI equals 1 means same to complete. And if TCPI is less than 1 means it is easier to complete, that is you could underperform and still meet your target. So the value of TCPI is 0.98. We put it here. So there you have it. We went through an example on value problem. Hopefully this will make you understand how to do earned value management formulas a little bit better. In the upcoming video, I will show you some tips how to memorize the formula, and we'll solve some exercises too.